Good morning, my dear students. How are you all? Hope you all are good. Today we start language development. That's why I have a Sound English book. Now open page number 5. Now this is the page number 5 and where is a letter? It's a new letter. I. And what is the sound of I? E. E. Now start vocabulary. It's a scale. And scale has some numbers and those numbers are called inch. Inch. Repeat after me. I-E, inch. Ink. Ink. Ink is used for pen. It's igloo. I-E, igloo. This is the dome-shaped shelter house. Insects. I-E, insects. Insects having 6 or 8 legs and there are so many insects. Now next statement, find the letter E in these words. Now you find out E in these words. It's in, ink, inch, ill, if. Start reading. Keep smiling. Allah Hafiz.